one. Say hi, Suze.
Hello.
And Austin's driving. We are here. We've got our bags. We've got our car. We are on the highway. We just went through our first toll.
We got our cashews.
We've got some delicious cashews that we're snacking on because it's like 9 in the morning, 9:45 in the morning. We have not eaten anything. Well, they gave out like food on the plane. I'm going to discuss the plane. So obviously the plane ride was long. We flew direct to Rome. So that was like exhausting. And we're in the car for like 3 hours on the way to the villa. We're going to, I don't know if I explained this. I don't think I did. We're going to a villa for a week for our friend's wedding. She's rented the villa for a week. So that's very exciting. And that is in like the Chianti region of Tuscany. So we've got to drive ahead of us. So the flight, we had seats that were like at the front of a different section, so we had plenty of leg room. This girl got a whole row to herself, which is pretty sweet. She got to lay down across 4 seats. So she got to sleep. I barely slept. I think I slept in like a few minute spurts here and there, so I'm very tired. Did you sleep at all, babe?
No, maybe 10 or 15 minutes at the most.
Yeah. The main meal, the dinner, the vegan dinner was actually very good. We were nervous at first because she only brought one, but she did find the second one, which was good. It was like steamed vegetables with rice and then a tomato and eggplant ragu. And then there was a little salad and some fruit and a piece of bread and some like vegan margarine. So that was actually pretty good. I was expecting something disgusting and it was very, very nice for plain food. The like breakfast snack, they brought us sandwiches with like sauteed and seasoned eggplant and squash on it with hummus. Now Austin ate that, he liked that. I do not like soft bread, sandwich bread that isn't I can't eat sandwich bread if it's not toasted, so that was like not great for me. So I just gave him my extra. Did you keep that? Did you throw that in your bag?
Yeah, it's in the bag.
So he's got that for snacks later. But yeah, flight was pretty easy. Just long and boring. And not easy to sleep on, but not too bad. Any thoughts from the crew?
I had a great sleep. It was wonderful.
Yeah, you got to full out lay down.
Yeah, all because the oxygen mask little compartment kept popping open, and it popped open the entire flight. There were 2 people in front of me that had entire rows as well, and we would just like look at it and then eye each other.
The lady in the very back before the next section had a whole row to herself too. I noticed that when I went to the bathroom.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I need to steal me one of these rows.
And then the cabin manager came at the end of the flight and like got our information and asked us which seats we were in, because he's like, he's gonna write a letter to the company, so hopefully I'll get some sort of credit or refund.
Well, that'd be nice. I guess you'll have to fly back to Italy.
Yeah, and I got 5 blankets and 5 pillows. It was great.
Alright, so I think that is all we have to check in on. Oh, I got a soy latte right after we got off the flight, and they ran out of to-go cups, so I had to like stand there and chug it at the counter. But it was good. It woke me up. I am alive now after that, although I am beginning to slowly fade again. But I'll check in, I guess, when we get into the next adventure.
It's so funny.
So we stopped at a vegan cafe for lunch. I think we're all losing our brains a little bit, laughing at dumb stuff a little too much, and not being able to make decisions. We all got some sandwiches, we're having some water, taking a bathroom break, and hitting the road again. There's my sandwich. I honestly don't know what's on there besides the zucchini, but it looks good. We're in this town, Grosseto. It's got this like cool wall all along this parking area. It looks old. It's neat. We're back in the car. I think we're all losing our minds a little bit. A little delirious, delulu. I really want to go to bed. So we stopped at a McDonald's so I could pee, and we spent some time wasting time just sitting here in the parking lot. I edited a couple videos. We're gonna go to the grocery store now and maybe get a couple of snacks, drinks to have at the villa. They're engaged in a riveting conversation about there being no Diet Coke. I don't think either of them wants Diet Coke. They're just discussing it.
One light bulb.
One light bulb. It really is one light bulb.
Well, it's to answer the age-old question of how many wedding guests does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Well,
a better way to test it than with just one.
Can I even reach it?
You turn it on, you just screw it in? That seems not very protected from the weather.
Well, I can reach it. So, probably
Children
one.
can usually do it.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
We made it to the villa. It is beautiful. We're waiting on the bride and groom to finish their tour so we know what room we're in. But I have to show you guys the view. It's insane. I hope the camera's capturing that because I really can't tell. I don't think it is. It's insane. Oh, there we go with the color. It's wild. It's so beautiful here. And as the bride, would you like to say a word or two for my vlog?
No.
That was your time to do what
Y'all missed the part why that's funny, but that was really funny.
Amanda wouldn't even get it.
So we've got our welcome bag and our room assignment inside.
We're in the next building.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. You can come say hi. Hi. All right. What's the info? What's the 411? Okay, I gotta show you guys my room. It's down this very cute corridor with these very cute paintings of the villa itself in the closet. Here's the room. Some art. Cute little canopy bed. Adorable mirror. None of them have a shower. Well, you're spoiling it for my vlog, but I'll show them in a minute. Cute little trinket dish. What is this, a closet? Nice. I'm obsessed with this little window.
I guess you just have to use it like a shower.
Actually, can we open a window? It's hot in here. And this is the tub. Look at this tub. It's insane. The tub is insane. This is so beautiful. And the view. Look at the view. Oh, it's raining again. The view is insane. Just the vlogging. There's 20 million things going on. Austin is figuring out how to shower with no shower.
Well, you have a shower head.
There's a head, but it's not attached to anything.
Hand do it.
I know it's not the end of the world. I'll figure it out. But I'm not washing my hair for a few days. So just doing my body will be fine. But this place is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys more of outside. It's very magical. I'm all unpacked. I've got my hanging items. I've got little cubbies on this side. I think there's cubbies back here too, which is nice. My hat. I've got my toiletries in the bathroom. I can use this little desk for makeup. I think I'm gonna flip it and put it right in front of the window. That'll be nice. Shoes. Nice empty suitcase. And I'll probably need this umbrella, so I should set this somewhere handy. I am doing a quick and dirty makeup for the welcome dinner. Using my 100% pure concealer. It's pretty lightweight concealer. I actually mixed the Ilia and the Tarte foundation. I'm gonna do just a little bit of powder on that. Just a tiny bit. I'm like not even in frame. I literally have the camera on top of my Anastasia Dewey set. It's getting the job done. I just have to like hunch like a gnome.
Good enough. I don't like a lot of powder. I feel like it looks too dry. Okay. A little bit bronze. This is the Trixie Cosmetics bronzer. I have the Trixie bronzer brush. Just a tiny bit of warming up. I'm gonna look paler anyway because I'm literally sitting in front of this window. But I don't want to go too crazy. Just a little bit. Human. Boom. It's not a pink in this dress. Maybe I'll go pink with the blush. Old Tarte blush that was a limited edition around the holidays. It's called Thankful. I have good apples, so I like to go in on my apples. I hear a lot of chatter outside, but maybe it could be the door's open and it's coming from inside. I just don't hear it inside. Just a little bit of this Laura Mercier highlighter with the same brush because it's pretty mild. And I always take it a little bit over my eyelids to start kind of an eye look. I'm probably not doing eyeshadow tonight since it's just the welcome party. I'll save eyeshadow for the wedding because I literally only brought one. I wonder if I can get this higher up. Let's see. There we go, that's better. Now you're on top of the Dewy Set, the One Size powder, and the Trixie bronzer. Okay, what's next? Let's just do some mascara. Don't feel like doing eyeliner. Okay. Tarte mascara. This is a tubing mascara, which means it removes really nicely, which I kind of love. I think I've got more mascaras at home that I still haven't used from like all the boxes and freebies that I've gotten, but I think I'll probably stick to tubing mascaras when I'm done, because even though there are a lot of mascaras I really like and that perform really nicely on my lashes, the way that tubing ones remove just makes all the difference, so I don't have to fuss with a whole bunch of makeup removal. This one and then that Thrive Cosmetics one, so good. Just poked myself in the eye. Okay. A little bit of brow gel just to keep them in place. The skin under my eyebrows was peeling today. It was so gross. It does that once every like few weeks. I don't know why it does that. It's so weird. Does that happen to anybody else? Okay, lip. Let's keep lip simple because I don't feel like going crazy. Just gonna do this little nub I have left because it really doesn't need a liner and I don't feel like doing liner. Good enough. Good enough. We done. I think we might be the first people ready. Here's my outfit, but my little outfit of the day videos, of course, they're always
done his shorts. It's like sunsetting. I wanted to get pictures, but it's raining. It's so beautiful out.
Is the table high for everyone else?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. I think it would pass a drug test.
It's great because now if I
Woo!
And
Oh, this will be on YouTube.
I don't taste it. I mean, I do taste
We had a big welcoming dinner, and I didn't think it was appropriate to film any of that because, like, a lot of these people are not put yourself on the internet people. It was lovely. Drank a bunch of wine. I'm very pink now. And we are gonna get ready for bed because tomorrow is pizza, and I hope I sleep because I feel like I've been up for like well over 24 hours.